Welcome to the channel. Today we're exploring the best air purifiers that can help you breathe cleaner, fresher, and healthier air at home. We'll break down top models that remove dust, allergens, smoke, pet dander, and harmful particles using advanced filtration systems and smart features. Whether you suffer from allergies or just want a healthier indoor environment, these air purifiers are designed to improve your air quality and overall well-being. Check the links in the description for full details and buying options. So stay tuned and watch the full video to find the perfect air purifier for your home. Number 1. LEVOIT Core 300P Air Purifier. The LEVOIT Core 300P is a compact yet powerful air purifier designed for bedrooms, offices, and small to medium living spaces. It focuses on improving indoor air quality by capturing dust, pollen, pet dander, smoke particles, and odors with its 3-in-1 filtration system. With AHAM verification, a 143 CFM CAGR rating, and coverage up to 1,073 square feet, this purifier is built for efficient everyday cleaning. The HEPA-grade filter helps capture fine airborne particles, while the activated carbon layer helps reduce unwanted smells from pets, smoke, and cooking. Its sleep mode is a major highlight, operating quietly at around 24 dB, making it a good option for bedrooms and nighttime use. Pros: AHAM verified performance. Strong 3-stage filtration system. Excellent for dust, pollen, and pet allergens. Very quiet sleep mode. Compact and stylish design. Multiple filter options available. Easy touch controls and timer settings. Cons: no smart app or Wi-Fi control. Replacement filters add ongoing cost. Best for smaller rooms rather than very large open spaces. Does not cool or humidify air. Final verdict: the LEVOIT Core 300P is one of the best compact air purifiers for everyday home use. It offers strong filtration, quiet operation, and reliable performance, making it especially suitable for bedrooms, pet owners, and allergy-sensitive users. Number 2. LEVOIT Core Mini P Air Purifier. The LEVOIT Core Mini P is a compact air purifier designed for bedrooms, dorm rooms, offices, and small personal spaces. Its small size makes it easy to place on a desk, nightstand, or shelf while helping reduce common indoor pollutants like dust, smoke, pet dander, and odors. It uses a 3-in-1 filtration system with a pre-filter and main filter to capture hair, lint, fine particles, and airborne pollutants. The built-in aroma pad is a nice extra feature, allowing users to add a light fragrance while the purifier runs. With AHAM verification and quiet operation, this model is designed for simple everyday air cleaning without taking up much space. Pros: compact and portable design. AHAM verified performance. 3-in-1 filtration system. Helps reduce dust, smoke, and odors. Includes aroma pad feature. Quiet operation with sleep mode. Great for bedrooms, dorms, and offices. Cons: best for smaller rooms only. Lower airflow compared to larger LEVOIT models. No smart app control. Filter replacement needed over time. Final verdict: the LEVOIT Core Mini P is a great small space air purifier for users who want cleaner air without a bulky machine. It is ideal for bedrooms, desks, and dorm rooms, offering quiet operation and effective basic filtration at an affordable size. Number 3. VOOPNU Air Purifier. The VOOPNU Air Purifier is a compact air cleaner designed for bedrooms, offices, and small to medium spaces. It uses a 360 degrees air intake design with a high-efficiency H13 HEPA filtration system to help capture dust, pet hair, pollen, smoke, odors, and other airborne particles. Despite its small size, it claims coverage up to 1,076 square feet with tested cleaning performance, making it a convenient option for everyday air improvement. The quiet operation at around 22 dB and built-in aroma tray are useful features for bedrooms and nighttime use. Its simple touch controls, 3 speed settings, and timer make it easy to operate without complicated setup. Pros: 360 degrees air intake for wider filtration. H13 True HEPA Plus activated carbon filter. Helps reduce pet hair, dust, smoke, and odors. Very quiet operation, 22 dB. Compact and easy to place anywhere. Includes aroma essential oil tray. Multiple speed settings and timer. Cons: best performance in smaller rooms. less powerful than premium large room purifiers. No smart app or Wi-Fi control. Filter replacement required over time. Final verdict. The VOOPNU Air Purifier is a good budget-friendly choice for bedrooms, offices, and personal spaces. It offers quiet operation, HEPA filtration, and a compact design, making it a practical option for users who want cleaner air without a large machine. Number 4. LEVOIT Vital 200 SP Air Purifier. The LEVOIT Vital 200 SP is a high-performance air purifier built for large spaces up to 1,875 square feet. It is designed especially for homes with allergies, pets, and heavy indoor air pollution such as dust, pollen, smoke, and odors. This model uses a 3-stage filtration system with a washable pre-filter, activated carbon layer, and HEPA-grade filter that captures 99.97% of ultrafine particles as small as 0.1 microns. The U-shaped air intake design improves airflow efficiency, making it more effective at pulling in pet hair and airborne debris. It also includes an air quality monitor and smart auto mode through the VE-Sync app, allowing real-time adjustments based on pollution levels. The sleep mode keeps noise low at around 27 dB, making it suitable for bedrooms even at night. Pros. Covers large areas up to 1,875 square feet. AHEM verified performance with strong CADR ratings. Washable pre-filter helps with pet hair maintenance. Smart app control, VE-Sync, with scheduling options. Built-in air quality sensor and auto mode. Very good for allergy and pet households. Quiet sleep mode for nighttime use. Cons. Larger size takes up more space. Requires periodic filter replacement, main filter. App features may be unnecessary for simple users. Higher price than basic purifiers. Final verdict. The LEVOIT Vital 200 SP is one of the stronger large room air purifiers in its category. It combines smart features, strong filtration, and excellent pet and allergy performance, making it a solid choice for whole bedrooms or open living areas. Number 5. Ozone Generator 48,000 mg, Commercial Odor Removal Machine. This is a high-output ozone generator, 48,000 mg per hour O3, designed for heavy-duty odor removal in large spaces up to around 4,000 square feet. Unlike HEPA air purifiers, it does not filter air particles. Instead, it uses ozone gas to chemically break down odor molecules. It is mainly targeted for smoke damage, pet odors, car interiors, basements, kitchens, and industrial cleaning situations where strong odor elimination is needed. Warning: important safety note: ozone is harmful to breathe. This device must only be used in unoccupied spaces, with no people, pets, or plants inside. After use, the area must be ventilated before re-entry. Pros. Very strong odor removal capability. Covers large spaces, up to 4,000 square ft. Effective for smoke, pet, and musty smells. Simple timer/knob operation. Portable and lightweight design. Useful for deep shock treatment cleaning. Cons. Not safe for use around people or pets. Does not remove dust, allergens, or fine particles. Requires full ventilation after use. Can be risky if misused. Not a daily use air purifier. Final verdict. This ozone generator is not a regular air purifier, it is a specialized industrial-style odor removal tool. It can be effective for strong smell problems, but it must be used carefully and only in empty rooms. For everyday air quality improvement, HEPA air purifiers like LEVOIT are much safer and more suitable.